today I will show you the Scandal Jinfo Chanfo Gaultier by night. I will show you how to open, guys. Okay, so I will open this one. There you go, a brand new. Okay guys, I bought it from Debenhams. Debenhams Plymouth. There you go. So guys, so it's like really a 10. It's like a 10 of beans. Like the style of the perfume box is like, look. So you can see. So there you go, guys. Scandal. So how to open this, guys? Okay, you don't need to get a 10 opener. Para siyang lata. It's like a tin, you know, tin of beans. Is napaka-unique, very unique ang kanilang box ng kanilang bottles. So how we open this? How to open the Scandal perfume by Jean-Paul Gaultier. This is how we do it, guys. Okay? There. Turn around. Turn around. There you go. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, there you go, guys. Yan. Ganito ang pag-open, guys. There you go. Napaka-unique niya. I mean it. This one is one of the most popular. Kasi nga, sabi nila, ang bango daw nito, GP. Okay guys, ito ha. There you go. So cute this one. And there you go. Show you my other collection. My special legs, no? Bakit kaya, no? I don't know why. Bakit ganito ang passion ni GPG. Babae na nakabukak ka. There you go. Oh. There you go, guys. Cute siya. Super cute. There you go. So, ito ang bottle, guys. This is 80 ml. 80 ml, diba? Kumutan ko. Yeah, 80 ml. Scandal by night. So, ito, guys. So cute. Sa mahilig mag-perfume, guys. So, you know already how to open, okay? Huwag niyong kalimutan. Just in case ba na hindi niyo alam. Kuha kayo ng tin opener. Ayan. Again, I will demonstrate it again. Ganito. Just turn around. Turn around. There you go. Yeah, you can just pull it up like that. Slowly. Okay. I really like it though. Open slowly. Again, and easy. And there you go. Open natin. Tignan natin kung anong smell. Oh, hindi ata ako marunong mag-open ito. Oh! Sorry. Ito, guys. So, ito ang legs ng isang babae. Legs. So, may tatak siya. Jean Paul Gaultier. So, legit. Okay, guys. Yan. Let's try. Let's try, guys, ah. Oh my god! Super duper love it. OMG. I think this is the best. I think this is the best after Dior, Hypnotic Poison, but this one is the best as well. Ang bango niya, guys. So, I highly recommend this one, guys, ha. Kung, oh my god, I so love it. So, let's put it back. Just like that. Oh, napaka-stylish niya. And there you go. Lagay natin dito. From Scandal by Night. Jean, Jean. I don't know how to pronounce because it's Jean Paul Gaultier. Sometimes I heard it from other people. It says John, Jane Paul, John Paul. It's like that. Jean Paul Gaultier by Night. Okay. Okay, guys. Do you like it?